Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the source and essentials so you can avoid messy results later. First, load the file via data get and transform and select the table or range. This preserves headers. Once loaded, scan column types and convert text to numbers or dates where needed, and quickly remove duplicates and empty rows to prevent skewed calculations. Make sure column names are clear and consistent. You'll thank yourself when writing formulas and setting filters. Now you perform the core transformations that enable analysis. In Power Query, merge or append tables to combine sources, split columns, and unpivot when necessary to normalize the structure. Back in the worksheet, add calculated columns and use consistent number and date formats so aggregations are reliable. Once done, build pivot tables or use sumifs, averagefs, and index/match to summarize results. Apply filters and conditional formatting to highlight outliers and trends before you interpret the metrics. Finish by creating clear summaries and visualizations so your insights are actionable. You'll create pivot tables and charts, then arrange them into a simple dashboard with slicers for interactivity. After building views, validate by recalculating a few sample rows manually and cross-checking totals or percentages. This confirms accuracy. If numbers look wrong, step through Power Query applied steps, recheck data types and hidden blanks, and refresh connections. These checks fix most errors and restore confidence in your final analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.